In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the size PDF on DocHub. We'll start from the DocHub dashboard, which is the main area where you manage and work with your documents. Once you're there, click on Import a Document. This is the option you'll use to bring your PDF into DocHub so you can begin working on it. Next, click Select Files. This lets you choose the PDF from your device. After selecting the file you want to work with, click Create Document to upload it into DocHub and prepare it for editing. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it a second if needed. Once the document is ready, open the file in editing mode. This is where you'll be able to make the necessary changes to your PDF. If your goal is to adjust the size or make edits that affect the document's layout or content, this is the workspace where everything happens. From here, make all modifications using the upper toolbar. The toolbar contains the editing tools you'll need, and it's designed to give you quick access to the main document controls. Take your time here and review your changes carefully before saving, especially if you're preparing a file to share or submit. When you're done editing, click the download icon. This is the quickest way to save your updated file. After that, click download to finish the process. At this stage, you can download the PDF to your device, save it within your DocHub account, or use DocHub's sharing options if you need to send it somewhere directly. And that's it. Once you complete those steps, your updated PDF will be saved and ready to use.